What's for dinner? The question that haunts us daily. What if you never had to think about it again? AI can plan your meals, create custom recipes, and even make your shopping list. Let's get cooking. Meal planning takes serious mental energy. It removes the decision fatigue and makes it actually enjoyable. What AI can do in the kitchen? Weekly meal plans based on your preferences, recipes using ingredients you already have, dietary accommodations, vegan, keto, gluten free, and allergies, scales recipes up and down for different servings, create organized shopping lists, suggests meal prep strategies, modify favorite recipes for dietary needs. AI is perfect for busy parents juggling schedules, people trying to eat healthier, budget conscious shoppers, reducing food waste, beginners who feel intimidated by cooking. Let's see it in action. Now, in this demo, we will create a weekly meal plan. So, here is the prompt: create a 5-day dinner meal plan for a family of 4. Preference is no seafood, kid friendly but healthy, cooking time under 45 minutes each night. And you can pass on the instructions. Now, in few seconds, you would see that ChatGPT would generate a 5-day dinner meal plan for a family of 4. It has taken all the inputs that you had given: kid friendly, balanced, healthy. If you have any allergies, if there is any specific dishes you want to eat, or and so on, you can give more specificity to the prompt. But this is a 5-day meal plan. Day 1, chicken fajita wraps. Day 2, beef and veggie stir fry. Now, if you don't eat beef, for example, you can say that exclude dishes which does not recommend beef. Third is turkey and sweet potato shepherd's pie, creamy tomato pasta with hidden veg, and honey mustard chicken with roasted veg and potatoes. It's given you also the ingredients, how much roughly the ingredients will cost in the currency or in the country that you live, and just highlighted the protein options, and it just given you an estimated budget for 5 days. It's also produced a shopping list, so you can go to a grocery shop and shop all these things for a 5-day meal and so on. So it's given you comprehensive instructions. It just removes the headache of thinking about what to prepare and what items are needed to prepare that, and do you have that, do you don't have that. It just simplifies all of that process. Now, the second demo is all about preparing dishes from the items that you have. So in the prompt, you can instruct AI that you need to use up ingredients before they go bad, and the ingredients that you have is chicken breast, bell peppers, onion rice, black beans, and so on. Now, based on the ingredients that you have, and you can even click a photo of your fridge and upload it in ChatGPT, and it would read, look at the photo, see what items you have, and then suggest you dishes. Now, based on the items that you had given, it's prepared chicken and bell pepper skillet with black beans and rice, 2-3 servings, and it's given you the ingredients, the instructions, how to prepare that, tips for beginners, and so on. Now, the third demo is to adjust the meals based on dietary recommendations. So in this, take this classic lasagna recipe, create 3 versions: vegetarian with no meat, gluten-free with no regular pasta, and low-carb keto, minimal carbs. So based on the prompt again, AI will look at the recipe, generate 3 different types of recipes for you and the ingredients and the instructions. If you want to prepare a vegetarian lasagna, it's just giving you the ingredients, instructions. Gluten-free, same thing. And low-carb keto lasagna, ingredients and instructions. See how helpful AI can be even for meal preparation. Now, the fourth demo is all about creating a meal preparation strategy. So in this prompt, I would write, I want to meal prep healthy lunches for my work week. Requirements: high protein, stay fresh, 5 days in the fridge, easy to reheat, portable in countries. Give me 3 different meal prep recipes with shopping list. Now, if you had to think about all a weekly plan, it would have taken you at least half an hour, 1 hour, and across multiple days to even, and it just gives you a lot of headache. But with this prompt, AI has given you some high protein, moderate carbs, and fiber rich recipes. Meal prep option 1: chicken, quinoa, and veggie bowls. 2: turkey and sweet potato skillet. Option 3: tuna chickpea salad. And it has given you the shopping list. If you don't like the recipes, you can prompt ask again, revise the recipes, give me new different recipes, and so on. It's given you preparation timeline, storage tip for all meals. AI is super helpful if you use it properly, especially in the kitchen, because it just takes away all the headache. Now, when using AI for meals in kitchen, always keep these tips in mind. Tip 1: be specific about the equipment that you have. Like, for example, I only have a microwave or a toaster oven. I only have an instant pot. Second, ask for substitutes. What can I use instead of heavy curry cream or a dairy-free alternative to butter, and so on. Tip 3, scale recipes. Convert this recipe from 6 servings to 2. AI does the math. Tip 4, learn techniques. How do I properly dice an onion? What does it mean to saute? Tip 5, get creative with leftovers. I have leftover roast chicken and rice. Give me 3 new meal ideas. Always keep safety in mind when in kitchen and using AI. Always look at the food safety reminders which are written on the packages. Let's say proper cooking temperatures for meat, food storage times, allergy warnings, safe food handling practices. Use common sense and check official food safety guidelines, and don't always rely on AI. A challenge for you: let AI plan your next 3 dinners based on your preferences. Actually cook one of them. Come back and tell me how it turned out. I want to hear the good, bad, and the delicious. Next video is all about travel planning, which will be made effortlessly. Plan your dream vacation in minutes. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Thank you.